Hey friends, if you wish to get text suggestions as you type in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. First of all, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select typing in the right pane. There is a switch which says show text suggestions when typing on a physical keyboard. Turn this on. Okay, and for touch keyboard you can expand it and check if you have an option here. So we don't have an option for this. So we can turn on this option here which says show text suggestions when typing on physical keyboard, and that will show text suggestions in Microsoft Word as well. As you can see, they are appearing. I typed K and I get suggestions to type the rest of the answer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.